Let's talk about some listing updates that you can do. So if you remember some of my older holiday videos, which you should probably go watch after this video, is making your listing look gift centered. Because remember, this time of the year, what makes it so great is people forget about buying things logically and they just buy things with emotion. Awesome. So we just need to cater to all of their wonderful emotions. So we add like, a little gift bow to your A+. We add a Santa hat to your A+. We just add those little things. Now, of course, go check out Amazon's ever-changing terms of service of what you're allowed to say and do in your Amazon A+, because I can't remember exactly, but I think like if the word gift, I think you're not allowed technically to have it, but you can have it look like a gift. So there's different things like that. Go do your research. You'll be all good. But giving the impression this is a great gift is a very, very important thing to have when you're selling it to your readers now for the holidays. I will even go as far, especially with books that I have in a multiple series, right? We'll redo the A+. So it's like, it shows like, yeah, you should be buying all 3 or all 4 copies of or versions of this book for the person you're getting a gift to. Don't be cheap and buy one. Buy them all 4 so they have the complete package. And we just recondition everything and sell it as a package that bumps up our average order and we make so much more money. So taking the time to strategize and make those decisions, those changes to your listing. Now, I wouldn't do those changes yet. I'd wait a little bit as we get closer, but those changes are going to be key. And we'll have more videos on those specific types of changes that you should be making later on. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on Q4 stuff.